Hey there, fellow gardeners. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all things gardening. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: what to plant in June if you're in Zone 8. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this video is packed with tips to make your garden thrive this summer. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Zone 8 is a fantastic place to garden because of its warm weather and extended growing season. If you're in places like parts of Texas, Georgia, or the Pacific Northwest, you're in Zone 8. Now, let's talk about what you can plant in June to make the most of your garden space. First up, let's talk vegetables. June is perfect for planting beans. Both bush beans and pole beans thrive in the warm soil and will produce a bountiful harvest in just a few weeks. Plus, they're super easy to grow. Here's a quick tip. Plant your beans about an inch deep and space them a few inches apart. Keep the soil moist, and you'll see sprouts in no time. And if you're like me, you can't wait for those crunchy, fresh beans in your salads or stir-fries. Next, tomatoes. If you haven't already planted your tomatoes, it's not too late. June is still a great time to get those tomato plants in the ground. Choose varieties that mature quickly so you can enjoy juicy, homegrown tomatoes by late summer. And remember, tomatoes love the sun, so pick the sunniest spot in your garden. Stake them early to support their growth and keep the fruit off the ground. You know, there's nothing quite like the taste of a freshly picked tomato right off the vine. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Don't forget about herbs. Basil, oregano, and cilantro are fantastic to plant in June. They grow quickly and add fresh flavors to your summer dishes. Imagine cooking up a delicious pasta dish with your very own homegrown basil. Sounds amazing, right? Basil loves warmth, so plant it in a sunny spot and water it regularly. You'll have fresh leaves ready to harvest in just a few weeks. And if you're into making homemade pesto, having fresh basil at your fingertips is a game changer. Plant these beauties in well-drained soil and full sun. They'll reward you with vibrant blooms all summer long. And if you're looking to create stunning bouquets for your home, zinnias are perfect. Their bright colors and long stems make them ideal for cut flowers. Another great addition to your garden in June is leafy greens. Varieties like kale, chard, and spinach can handle the summer heat if they get some afternoon shade. They're not just nutritious, but also super versatile in the kitchen. Plant your kale in rich soil and keep it well watered. You'll be able to enjoy tender, homegrown greens in salads, smoothies, or even baked as crispy kale chips. And let's not forget about cucumbers. June is a great time to plant cucumber seeds. They grow quickly and can be trained to climb a trellis, saving space in your garden. Plus, there's nothing more refreshing than a cool cucumber salad on a hot summer day. Plant your cucumber seeds about an inch deep and keep the soil consistently moist. Train the vines to climb the trellis as they grow, and you'll have a vertical garden full of delicious cucumbers in no time. So there you have it, folks. Beans, tomatoes, herbs, flowers, leafy greens, and cucumbers, all perfect choices for your Zone 8 garden in June. Enjoy the sunshine and happy planting. Remember, gardening is not just about growing plants, it's about growing joy and satisfaction. Let's make this summer our best gardening season yet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your gardening friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep growing and keep glowing.